Hello guys, I hope you have an awesome and exciting day and welcome to Let's Talk About It Live. I'm very excited to announce that I've finished setting up my very own Patreon page under the name of Let's Talk About It Live, and we are ready to go public. It was inspired by my son and daughter who have been telling me for a very, very long time to set up a way for people to support the work I do. After considering so many elements, the fact that this COVID situation contributed to my job loss, and some serious convincing and encouragement from my wife and people who I've helped in the past, I knew it was time. And any of you that are connected with me on LinkedIn and Facebook know my relentless drive to helping others and supporting our communities. But now it is time for me to ask for your support. For the past 15 years, I've focused so much of my time and energy motivating, inspiring, and encouraging others to do bigger and better things. In the process, one thing I forgot to do is to do bigger and better things myself. Guilty as charged. Combining my love for humanity, leadership, and mentoring. I was told I could heal a rock and that I should consider starting my own common sense leadership coaching and mentoring business. In all honesty, I truly believe that YouTube would be my gateway to open the doors for my exposure, and that I wouldn't need to charge anyone for my services and in the process be able to provide for my family. On YouTube, that was possible prior to 2015. Even with 10,000 subscribers, so hard. Unfortunately now, YouTube is a very tough platform for educational, leadership, and management streams. People would rather watch gaming cats and dogs videos than watch leadership, mentoring, and coaching advice. Hey, no offense intended, and nothing against gaming cats and dogs videos. I watch them, but that is the hard truth. Taking all that in consideration, I have decided to continue with my Let's Talk About It live segment on Patreon. I will be still posting videos on YouTube and serving your needs for infotainment, but the premium content about leadership, management, organizational culture, and all that sort of stuff would be available and will be available to Patreon members. For patrons who would like to support my work, I have created a few different levels for you to choose from. There are 6 levels of support, and you do what it feels right. If you think that my starting point of $3 a month is too much, I will also create $1 a month pledge, but processing fees will eat up most of the funds. I have big goals and dreams, and I'm not afraid to set them very high. My goal is to reach 50,000 supporters on Patreon by 2025. Once we reach 5,000 supporters on Patreon, I will start employing people who have a hard time getting a job and helping people in need. That is my pledge to you. There are so many causes and communities I would like to support in every possible way with my work, like food bank, cancer research, mental health, and one close to my heart, fighting dementia. In return for your support for the time being, I'm giving you all I got. I will send you a personal thank you note, a video message, create some video goodies, and more. Once we gain traction, I will give you even more, send you some t-shirts, caps, and merchandise for your contributions. And for level 4 to 6 contributors, I will offer live stream interviews, business assessments, and one-on-one video sessions. As I've mentioned, give as much or as little as you can, whatever feels right. And thank you for the support you have already given me. I wouldn't be here doing this work without all of you. I thank you and I greatly appreciate you. Please join me on Patreon and support my work. And if you like my content, please become my patron on Patreon. I am truly looking forward to seeing you on Patreon. And up until the next video, as always, please take care of yourself and each other. Bye for now.